Here are the pronouns, and they're very, very common in American. His, hers, he, she, him, her, you, yours, yourself, they, them, their, I, me, my, myself, we, us, our, ourselves. So we are going to put this into sentences, and you will see how easy it is to understand. What is your name? My name is Narveen. Where are you? I am at home. You cannot say Narveen, you will say I am at home. So I will make some more sentences here. Please give me my keys. How did you come? How did you come to the Gurdwara? I came to the Gurdwara by myself. So we will take some other examples. Where does he live? Where does he live? He lives in Washington, D.C. Where is his house? His house is on Jackson Street. Who lives with him? His wife lives with him. What is her name? Her name is Mandeep. Whose keys are these? These are Mandeep's keys. You can say these are her keys. These keys are hers. Is she at the Gurdwara? Yes, she is at the Gurdwara. Please give her keys. They are hers. Let's look at you and your. Where are you going? I am going to the Gurdwara. Who is going with you? Nobody is going with me. I am going myself. Myself. You are going to the Gurdwara yourself? Yes, I am going to the Gurdwara myself. Where is your brother? My brother is at home. Let us look at it. It is used for animals if you don't know if it's a boy or a girl. The dog is sitting on the grass. It is wagging its tail. You don't know if it's a boy or a girl dog. But if you knew the dog is a boy dog, then you will say he. If you know that the dog is a girl dog, then you will say she. But for things that do not have life, जिन चीज़ां विच जान नहीं है, like a car or a pencil, then you will not say he or she. He or she is only for human beings या जानवर जिन्होंने थानू पता है कि वो स्त्रीलिंग या पुल्लिंग हैगे. Then you will use he or she. Otherwise, you will say it. The car is on the road. It is on the road. Who is driving the car? Who is driving the car? Gurdeep is driving it. So I want to spend a little time on the word self. Self is like जिस तरह की ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਖੁਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਇੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ the khud is extra did you do this work yourself self shows extra emphasis yourself myself himself herself themselves when you use the words more on the practice you will understand it better. In the meantime, please remember the spelling of there. T-H-E-I-R, not T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E means place. This is for people, bahuguna, for more than one person. Where are the people? They are standing in the park. Please tell them to go home. Where is their home? Their home is in DC. Please tell them to go home. They are standing in the park after curfew. Tell them to go home. Okay? So here is your session, the pronoun session. Please combine it with the questions. That's important. And then you can practice these two together. Make up your own sentences.